LA Gauge, an ultra-precision machining company, had 60-year-old heating and air conditioning systems. They were paying a lot of money for repairs and electricity, while their staff were uncomfortable. They wanted to replace all the systems, but they were very concerned for interruption to their production. Their shop produces parts for companies like JPL, NASA, Northrop Grumman, and other major aerospace leaders. So they planned to replace the system during the winter vacation to avoid any interruption. But their worst nightmare happened. Their main AC systems in the shop completely died in the middle of July. The AC control team immediately started the work and managed to give them cold air in a few days. All 12 rooftop package systems, along with associated external ducts, were replaced without any interruption to their operation at the shop and their offices.